Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do Beach Farm Simulator. I haven't done really much of this, but I haven't done really much. I bought there because my friend told me to. That's pretty fun, so I did. Cause it on Robux, but I didn't really say. Oh my god, sprinkles! See the sprinkles? What the heck? Snow? Cool breeze. Oh, nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I just got on more toxicity. Toxicity, how do you say it? One of my bees is sleeping. My other bees won't go sleeping. Yeah, you got that token. I've never been in a water before. Normally I become a polar. What the fuck is he doing? He's just looking at me. It's a freak. It's a freak color. Go to the hive. Oh no, my berry's gonna sleep. Let's see if other person have berry. Oh, he doesn't have berry. It's bad. Nah, it's not that bad. I think it's better than me, even though I have berry. Oh, I still have some honey. Well, that's racist. Discrimination. Oh. What the fuck is that noise? Okay. I'm just playing this. Got 2 bees. I'm happy. Because I'm happy when I know that this isn't playable. Happy when I know that. Yeah. I like this. Got a cool outfit and I found a cool game. But I really like this and the headphones. Sick. I think I'm gonna find some hardcore. Or I'm just gonna keep the bacon hair because this is a pretty cool outfit. I like this. Yeah. I think I'm gonna buy an upgrade. Come on, I hope this makes me faster. I don't think this will actually make me faster. And I'm not gonna buy a backpack. Maybe I can buy this. No, this is too much. Is there anything I could buy? Because I got 2,000. Well, it's something. How did I get? I did not have these. Yes, you can't afford. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait until I can buy the clippers. What can you do with the? What can you do with that barrel right there? I'm gonna walk up to him because there's exclamation. I don't know how to say it. I'm really bad. Exclamation mark. I have to level there. I'm back where you look promising, new honey. Okay, but first I'm gonna collect that what's over there because I see something over there. First I gotta get there. What is this? Is this a cannon? Oh, I need to have 25 B types. What types, or do I just have to have so much B? I don't know. I found 3 microconverters. What do they do? What do the microconverters? I'm putting them. Oh, sick. Want to grab them? I don't know what they do. Wait, what do they do? Oh, you cannot see that like that. Instantly convert all pollen in your bag to honey. Oh, that's handy. Then I don't have to walk all the way there. But I have to go to sunflower. I forgot. Huh. I just have no idea where my bees are. Okay. Let's see what I got. If I even got something. Ooh, nice honey. Wait, I'm gonna get another. Dandelion. That dandelion. That's a sunflower because you can see the. Are that dandelions? I think they are. Yeah, they're dandelions, right? Or am I just busy? Yeah, they're dandelions. Yeah. I want to know what's in there. And wait, is that a star? I want what's in this. How can you get so much honey? How? There's no way, right? There is no way. Oh my god, what the fuck? Wait, I have to talk to the black bear. His name is Black Bear, okay. What the fuck is that after? I'm just gonna keep walking. Oh, that's weird. I'm actually being with. I'm gonna see what he could. Oh, that's not gonna be hard. I'm just gonna go to this field. I use a macro converter because it looks kind of cool. I want to know what it does. Because I like know what it does, but I just want to see if this actually gets stuff. So let's just wait. Oh, it actually works. Sick. Actually works. I find it cool. I'm just gonna do this quest while I like get more honey and stuff. Because I do get honey from this. Got 500 honey. Now I'm gonna spend it on something. I want to know what that is. I don't know what that is. I'm just curious. I'm gonna check what this is. Oh, I have to join a group. Okay. Oh, I can't buy that. I can buy the clippers. I cannot buy this. But I can buy the clippers. Let me check what this does. Oh. It's actually not that bad. Wait, I can go to that field? What is that? And wait, I'm gonna check what that is. I'm gonna check what this is. What is that? Why are there... I have a really bad idea, but will it work? Wait, let's try to beat these ladybugs and minor beetles. I don't think it's something I can. God, I'm so bad. Help me. Help me. Yeah, I got something. Yeah, yes. Get him. Yeah. What's that? Gumdrop? Did it say gumdrop? Huh. Let's try and get on top of it. Oh, I can just do one jump. We found a royal jelly. Okay, what the heck is this? It works? Okay, well it works, I guess. What the heck is this? Oh, I think I'm gonna leave the game and then join back and then join the group to get like that thing. I'm gonna go here, developer. and join this group. That was easy. Okay, I joined the group. Now see if let's see what happens. Oh, it's nice. Let's get that one because that's close to that thing. Come on. Oh, it's good oh my god, I'm fast. I'm a fast boy. And now let's do this. God. How do they do those things that fall? I do like it. But it says haste 5. Maybe I can get like haste or something. And I'll only get it from that. And now I'm gonna get it. I like this sparrow more. Just need a bit more. Because I want to get that backpack. Yeah, wait, that's an actual. Yeah, actually named a backpack. Oh god, they jump with me. Look, they jump with me. That's so cute. That's so cute. But my height is here. Actual DJ, I got headphones. I do have. Well, that is my username. I like this game really much. 20? How can you get levels? I'm still curious. How do you get levels? Oh. I don't know what they do if they have 2 flowers, but I'm just looking for one with 2 flowers. Oh, that's cool. That one's faster than usual. What can I do with this? Oh, I could buy an egg. What do you get out of this? I'm gonna go to my hive. I just need a way to get them. Gotta make honey. I'm gonna see what it is. Oh, biscuit. But what's the comes as we're going to around? We're epic or legend. Oh, I want to try that out on this one. What's gonna happen? Ooh! Wait, I got one with Barbie events. Oh, when they're like when there's like a gray background at the thing that. Let's check here. Let's check colorless. Oh. Wait, where does this stand? I'm just gonna go under. Where does it stand? Let me go up. Yeah. Colorless. I think the color then they are white or something. That's red, so we can. Hey, wait, there's a red field. Oh, that's nice. And we can best go to that. No, you got. No, I need to get there. To get there fast. Come on, before it disappears. Yes, because I see them like almost disappearing every time. Come on, let's go to the red field. Oh my god. Oh god, oh god, oh god, he's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me, guys, help me. Oh, he didn't kill me. That's nice. Oh, wait. That one's fast. I already got full backpack. That's nice. I bought one of that and then I got honey. Oh yeah, I think honey doesn't give you honey. Well, that would be logic because they're honey tokens. I'm just calling them honey tokens because they're honey, but they're also tokens, so I think they're like honey tokens. Would be cool if that was the actual name. That would be real cool. Got another Vermont. We're getting to there. Come on. Okay. Now if we do this, then we get lots of. Then we get just lots of. Oh my god, I got sprinkles, Yes! I got more than I usually have. Come on, please. Yeah, this is pretty fun, actually. I like this. Wait, I think I have enough for that backpack too. Why is he just standing there, not even making honey? Okay, yeah. I need anyway the hour, I think, because the alarm was like 7 minutes ago. Come on, yeah, got it. Now I have to get this, and then I have to get this, I guess. Oh my god. Wait, let me see, how much is this? A vacuum is less than that other backpack thingy. Come on, please, let's go on an adventure. I really want to get there, I just don't know how to get there. I think I'm gonna buy some of those eggs to get there. I think I need the 5 bees. Let's check, because there's like a bee thingy and there are 5 there, so I can take 5 bees. Yeah, you need 5 bees in class. What if I jump on this? Oh, what the frick is fishish bee? What is fishish bee? I don't know. I wanna get it. That's another royal jelly. Just like before. But damn it, I can't jump that far. Let's try that. Wait, I think if I get a bear bee token, I can. So I got not. Just gotta wait for Barry to give me. While my bees do the work, cause I wanna. No, is he? No, god damn it. Well, first I'm gonna get collect some. Oh, basically he's coming back. Round the world, round the world, round. Oh, strawberry. Some leaves. I don't know. But why is everything out of energy? Baby is back. Baby is back. So I gotta just wait. Yes, 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 yes. Give me that one. Then I can jump higher. I got in here. Yeah. Yes, I got in here. Just really scared that the spider's gonna kill me. Why do they always miss? No, please, please, please. Please don't wanna die. Please. This is a field that is not normally. So I don't really like the spider. Let's kill the spider, please. Kill the spider. Kill the spider, please. Kill it. Kill it. Kill the spider. Kill the spider, goddammit. Kill it. Please. Please kill it. Kill it. Come on. Why don't they kill it? Why don't they fucking kill it? Why did I always miss? Goddammit! Just goddamn kill it, please. Kill it, please. Why am I even here when? Why am I even here? Just gotta spin in circles. I do not have any bees. All my bees are gone. All my fucking bees are gone. Yeah, I'm just fucked. Let's we can talk about this. God damn it, I'm going down. Wait, basic bee is there. Yes. 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 Should be. There are 2 bees. Beep beep. Well, it's actually a good technique if I farm something up here. Ah, whoa. That is very nice of you. Yes, he's almost dead. I'm almost got out of pollen. God damn it. He's almost dead, just like I am. Why are they not killing that fucking spider? I think I have to walk faster, so just kill him already, please. I wanna die. Just 20 damage and my beast don't even do 20 damage into a tree. God damn it, my pollen container's full. Well, first I want to kill this guy. God damn it. First I want to kill the spider. Because now the bees won't make any, they will just fight. Now the bees will only fight. Get the goddamn spider! Get the goddamn spider! This is gonna take really long, I think. Please, just get him, goddammit. Please, yes, almost dead. Yes! But am I happy? And I have to go back. I have to do it all again. I hope not. Well, how is that player so fast? I'm slow. But they kill this bug really easily, but they can't kill a spider. So I have trouble killing a freaking bug. This is gonna take bloody long. I think I'm gonna buy another egg, cause we do have well, the only thing, yes. I think I have some everything. Yeah, I do. Okay. I think I'm gonna give strawberries to this guy. It's red and so red, so. He's level 4, yippee. Now I'm giving this guy pineapple. Wait, let's give him level up 14. I can level him up to 14. Oh wait, then he gets level up. Now I just find it sad that I'm just gonna feed all of them. No. Well, now I'm gonna get there and buy another bee. Okay, I bought a bee. Okay, I had to basic bee. Oh! Ooh. Honeybee. He sounds good because it's a honey, so he will give me lots of honey. I'm happy because I'm going to do another black bear quest because I am black bear. So you might think I'm his son. They will give me the quest for free. Ha ha ha. Oh. Oh, red quest. That's not gonna be that hard. There's a wet field right there. And there's a strawberry field right there. What the fuck is that? Ticket token. That's a ticket token. I want to get the ticket token. Well, first I'm gonna do this quest. If I get Barabee, I can get the ticket token. First I need to yes. Come on, almost. Wait, can I get on this? Oh wait. Yes! I got the ticket token. Now I got a ticket token. Oh, I already got it. I don't know what you can do with tickets though. Tickets are might very useful or like just trash. I think they're trash. Well, there's a ticket right there. Well, not an actual ticket. Two more questions and I get a silver egg. 10,000 blue pollen. I see a blue field over there. Because there's blue flowers, so I think it's a blue field. First let's empty all my backpack. So if I like get a bit of white, because there's always white, I think. I don't know. Okay, yeah, you done? Yes, okay. Gotta get to the blue. Oh god, I can't jump over this. Why am I so dumb? I can jump on a chest, then go over it. Why is there even a chest? I wanna get that. Oh god. Come on. Oh, it's there. Why am I going up here? Come on. Why is it in the air? Yeah, that's everything I can get. That's at least green token, so one of my favorite colors is green, so I'm getting the green tokens. Oh, what is this? Oh, they make honey. Oh, they make honey when I'm in here. Oh, that's nice. I just need a bit of blue paw. I've got absolutely no blue bees. Yes. Go. How did I not even get freaking 1,000 pollen? And they're white as well. How did I not even get 1,000 with a bit of white? And 10, it already says it's done. Got like 7. Okay, only one more. Mushroom, clover, and blue flower field. Blue flower, I think. Mushroom. Mushrooms. Clover. Then I'm gonna do first the mushroom fields because that's the closest. Then I'll go over to the clover field so I can drop down, go to the blue flower fields. That's my plan. Okay. Come on. Juke the bug. Juke the freaking bug. Come on. Yes, I got strawberry. Okay. After this, I'm gonna get a silver egg. I didn't get much Barabee tokens. I didn't get any more Baramorph tokens. I think they're called Baramorph. I have no idea if you can see it when I do this. Baramorph. Yes. It will make honey for me. Wait, I already got it from the mushroom field. I was distracted. Okay, now I'm going on to the glow. Oh, I got 1,000. 10,000, I mean. Okay, come on. What is that? Is that a spike? I wanna know what a spike is. Fuck no. I hate this. What did I accept you with? Why am I even with this? Please. Help me. Someone help me. Help me. Oh my god, I'm so scared. What the fuck? Bro, I didn't even do anything. Wow, I just want to beat this guy. If somebody can help me, god damn it. Bro, not even anyone's gonna help me. What the fuck? Somebody help me, god damn it. Nobody's gonna help me again. I don't know if they can help me. Well, there was a message there. So I hope they listen to me, god damn it. Wait, save me. Someone please. What if I just stand under him? All damaging with those spikes. Just stand under him. He's not gonna hit himself with spikes, so. Well, I'm not doing this. I'm dealing with this later. I'm gonna deal with this later. You can just go. I'm not gonna deal with this. Bruh, that thing is really weird. I don't like it. I don't like that. I thought I'd like that too. Huh? I have just no idea. When someone is going there, then I'm gonna help him. Even though it's literally not that hard, I think. Is it that hard? Yeah, for me it's hard. Like these good players, it's not. Yes. Or I can just fly away. I don't know what he's gonna do. Yeah, Vishby left. Didn't like it, so he left. I'm getting a silver egg. What's a silver egg even at? Do you just get these? Yes. Oh, I got 1,000 honey as well. Whoa, this is so good. I'm so good. I'm making honey right now. That's your fork. I got another wet bee. Yeah. Got a wet bee. Well, I want to get everything, but if I just go on, I want to actually get everything on a normal way, but I can buy this as well. I'm just gonna buy this because I'm smart. I'm not smart. As you can see. How do you get up there? This is a question of me. How do you get up there? Just teleport or something? I don't know. But first I'm gonna get there. Maybe I can get there. I just wanna get there. Oh, this is pretty good. It's like a square around me. He's raging. What the fuck does this do? I don't know. It doesn't do nothing. It's like a creeper exploding. How we moved. It's like a creeper just exploding. Oh, snow! Who lives in that pineapple? Why do I think of SpongeBob? I think of snow. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Who lives in this pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. Who lives in this pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. The pie. Round the world, round the world, round the world. Oh, I got it. I wanna keep on going, keep going. I wanna keep going, keep going. I wanna keep going, keep going. How did they get there? How am I wanna get there. There are so many tokens. I wanna just get tokens. Oh, royal jelly? Oh my god, so many tokens. Another royal jelly? Some honey tokens? Oh my god. This is so sick. Whoa. That was sick. That was actually sick. No cap. That was sick. Whoa. I can get the freaking vacuum. Oh my god. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? I'm Sprout. Sprout. I don't know what a Sprout is. Wait, that's... How am I so dumb? How am I so dumb? I don't know what a Sprout is. How... I get it. I think I'm gonna act for the new backpack. I think I'm actually gonna do that. Maybe I can buy the vacuum, but if I just get the backpack earlier, I can get the vacuum faster, I think. No, with the vacuum, I can like get this full faster. I think I'm just gonna buy a vacuum. I think I'm just... Now let's get my thing full and buy a vacuum. Oh yeah, I forgot this. Oh, this is so nice. You just get freaking honey. Just makes honey for you. And the honey is up, or the time is up. It just stops. And this piece. I'm gonna buy the vacuum. I'm gonna buy that. I think I'm gonna buy this. Psych. I have no idea what the vacuum is. Time to find out. Oh, it's pretty nice. It's at least better than the last one that I got. Just a freaking beautiful star of socket. Look, I created a star next to a star. I want to create a star next to a star. What star is growing? What my... Okay, now here. And I got two stars next to each other. Yeah, that's sick. I find it sick. Oh wait, it's full. Didn't notice that. What the fuck? I am really bad at making dog noises for dogs. Yeah, it was supposed to be a noise that dogs don't think dogs like that. I think I'm gonna buy 2 eggs before I buy that thing. Because to have 2 royal jellies. Yippee. It's done. Wait, I think I can get there legally now. Okay, now basic egg. I'm gonna try to just get a red epic. Nice. I didn't even have to change it. Oh, it hatched into a basic. And now a royal jelly. And that looks like a good bee. That looks like a good bee. Well, now I got 7 bees. What? Yeah, I got 7. Yeah, I got 7. I'm just gonna. It would be fun if you just wait. What is this? I don't know. Well, I want to get up on there because there's something on there. Can you get on this guy? No, you cannot. Oh, I almost made it. I just need to be a little bit faster. There are boots. Do the boots make you faster? Yes, they do. I just need the honey. Just need the honey for the boots. Then I can jump higher and get there with the Barbie. Okay, so I just have to get some. Just need. Oh my god! What the fuck? I get so much tokens now. Got another token. I get so much tokens. I know how much tokens I get with. Like I got like 1,000 bees now, 20 bees or something. You know when like in some games, like the basic things, like the things you get first, and then if you like can get it to legendary something, or like mythic or like upgraded or something. I think then it's like overpowered. And people just throw it away and get other things overpowered, even though it's not as overpowered as that. Yeah, those are the games I like them. I think I'm gonna buy. I think I'm gonna use a micro converter for this, so I can go to the store. I'm not an actual store. I don't want to go to the actual store. Then I have to be sure. And I have to do stuff. I'm gonna buy the fucking boost. Oh, what collect fallen ice? Well, at least. So I think I can like jump higher with this too. I hope so. Yeah, I just need the barrier. So I just gotta wait. Oh, Barbie is sleeping. Yes. Perfect timing. Yes! Here we go. What's this? Is this a parkour? What the fuck is that? I'm not gonna go there. I wanna see what you can do here. Sick. Do I have to go all the way back? I don't wanna die, so I'm gonna go all the way back. But first I'm gonna check what's in here. Never mind! You die, your bees must recover at hot. Wait, what the frick? Look at this. Sick, I find it sick. I just got it. What if I put this in here? Oh, this just doesn't work. Okay, nice. What the fuck? Okay, now it works again. Some people use an auto clicker and they're just gonna stand here like this. They're only gonna do this. They're just not gonna do it. They're only gonna do this. And like think, what the hell? Oh my god, oh yeah. What the hell? Oh my god, what the fuck is he doing? It goes so fast. Now we just gotta wait until what the fuck? Wait, I still have. I forgot. I'm gonna check what he has in store for us. Provide 4,000 from the bamboo field. Where's the bamboo field? Oh, I see bamboo sticks, so found it. That wasn't that hard to find a bamboo field. But we're gonna do that next video. I'm gonna grind this game for a few seconds. In the next video, I'll be a lot better. Let's see ya.